More than a week after the Police Federation said it requested the Prime Minister's intervention in its stalled wage negotiations with the Finance Ministry, the Office of the Prime Minister has made its first comment on the issue.
The OPM says although the Police Federation made its request in writing last week, it did not receive that letter until this morning. And so the process to facilitate an intervention on the wage talks is just starting. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Last week, Wednesday, the Police Federation, which represents rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, sent the first of two letters calling on Prime Minister Andrew Holness to intervene in stalled wage negotiations with the Finance Ministry. While awaiting a response from the Prime Minister, the cops staged a sick-out, which saw up to 20% of rank-and-file officers staying off the job between Saturday and Wednesday. The Federation then sent a second letter to the Prime Minister, describing the request to meet as urgent. However, on Thursday, Director of Communications in the Office of the Prime Minister, Robert Morgan, told TVJ News that both letters were only just received, hence the apparent delay in responding.
We received both letters today sent to the Office of the Prime Minister by the Police Federation, and the Prime Minister is going to inform himself of all the variables, make contact with the stakeholders who are a part of the negotiating process. And after that is done, then the Prime Minister will issue a statement as to the way forward.
In light of the sick-out, which lasted through the Christmas holidays, several groups, including Jamaicans for Justice, JFJ, and the Jamaica Gasoline Retailers Association, JGRA, have been urging the government to facilitate a quick and amicable solution to the deadlock. With all the security concerns raised, we asked Mr. Morgan, why is there such a long delay ahead of the Prime Minister's intervention?
I have heard members of the opposition saying the response is slow, but based on the protocols that have been long established on how these things go, especially in light of a Christmas holiday falling very close to when the letter was dispatched by the Police Federation and when the letter was received by the Prime Minister, I don't know if objectively it can be said that the response has been slow. We have to follow the protocols, we have to follow the rules.
Wage talks between the Police Federation and the Finance Ministry ended in a deadlock last week as the Federation rejected the government's 6% increase for the 2017-2019 wage period. Herman Green, TVJ News.